Today we talk about how can you close account on your FxPro app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on my profile. We just click here on my profile. It's going to take you to this list here. Then just click here on close account. Then you can to next step here, click here on keep your account, click here on continue here. So then it's going to take you to delete your account here or close your account on your FxPro app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.